This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Avoprost Capsule is a medication specifically formulated to assist adult men in managing symptoms associated with benign prostatic hyperplasia, commonly known as an enlarged prostate. This condition can lead to various urinary issues, making daily life challenging. The capsule is designed to be taken with food and at regular intervals as prescribed by a healthcare professional, ensuring maximum effectiveness and reducing the risk of side effects. Indications and uses. This medication is primarily indicated for men suffering from benign prostatic hyperplasia, which often results in troublesome urinary symptoms such as difficulty initiating urination, a weak urine stream, the sensation of incomplete bladder emptying, and increased frequency of urination, even during nighttime. How it works. The active ingredient in this medication is silodosin, an alpha-adrenoreceptor blocker that works by inhibiting the enzyme responsible for converting testosterone into dihydrotestosterone, a hormone that contributes to prostate enlargement. By blocking this enzyme, silodosin helps to decrease the size of the prostate, thus alleviating urinary symptoms and improving overall bladder function. Directions for use. It is essential to take this medication as directed by your physician, typically once a day with food to enhance absorption and minimize the risk of side effects. Swallow the capsule whole with a glass of water and avoid crushing or chewing it. Consistency and timing is crucial for maintaining its effectiveness. Possible side effects. Common side effects may include dizziness, headache, fatigue, and low blood pressure, particularly when standing up. Other possible reactions include abnormal ejaculation and nasal congestion. If any side effects persist or cause concern, it is important to consult a healthcare provider promptly. Precautions and warnings. Before starting this medication, inform your doctor of any other medications you are currently taking and any pre-existing health conditions, particularly related to the liver or kidneys. Regular follow-ups are essential to monitor your health and ensure effective treatment. This medication is not recommended for women, children, or adolescents under 18 years of age. FAQs. 1. What is Avoprost Capsule used for? It is used to manage urinary symptoms related to benign prostatic hyperplasia. 2. Can I stop taking this medication on my own? No, you should not discontinue without consulting your doctor. 3. Is it safe for all men? It is intended for adult men only and not suitable for those under 18. 4. What if I miss a dose? Take it as soon as you remember, but skip it if it's almost time for your next dose. 5. What are the common side effects? Dizziness, headache, and low blood pressure are among the most common side effects. Thank you for watching this video on Avoprost Capsule 10s. We hope you found the information helpful and informative. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe for more health-related content.